Hey everyone, it's your girl Symone. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. I have another budgeting video for you, so let's just jump right into it. Alrighty guys, so it is the month of March. February was a little bit sticky, so let's just hope and pray, fingers crossed, that March is good to us. And yeah, that's pretty much it. For today, I am going to be budgeting for an amount of $290, and let's just hope, you know, things go good with that one. And I have a few little changes. Small change. I have gone ahead and increased my grocery budget by $100. I think it's needed because I keep going over anyway, so I might as well just bump the budget up and stop fighting the fight. So for the month of March, I'm going to budget for $600 for groceries. Hopefully that's extra $100 is just the right amount that I need to just kind of, you know, balance things out. It's just a little bit of a bump, but it's a bump nonetheless. I'm still going to stick to $200 for gas, and then entertainment is going down by $20, and then miscellaneous is also going down by $20. I don't really have too much planned for the month of March, which I should have because March break is coming up, but we're gonna keep it low-key. You know, we're gonna keep it low-key and call it a day. For bills, I'm going to budget, what did I say I was going to do? $1,320. I did have a storage unit and I'm going to cancel it for this month, so that should make my budget actually lower than the $1,320. But just in case I don't officially cancel it, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Moving on down to my debts, I'm going to budget $250 for Visa number 1, and then $80 for Visa number 2, and then $182 for my MasterCard, and then $20 in back tuition fee. I actually should be doing some math, which I did not do the first time. So let's just add up what we have for our cash envelopes. So 600 plus 200 plus 20 plus 20, and that gives us $840. Oh wow, $840. Okay. And then another thing that I'm changing up, I am going to just leave my grocery amount in my account. I just find it more convenient, especially when I go to Costco. If I'm doing a self-checkout, sometimes it's a little bit convenient for me to do a self-checkout. The self-checkout actually the machine doesn't take cash at this moment. So sometimes I have the cash on me and it's a little bit frustrating because it's just too much of a hassle. And then I have to use my bank card, then put the money back on my bank card because I have other automated bills that are coming out and I don't want to mess those up. So I think what I'm going to do on occasion, if I'm doing like a Costco run, which I did do for the most part for this month. Today is I think it's the 5th of the month. It's a Monday. I believe it's the 5th of the month, or maybe the 6th. Is it the 6th or the 5th? It's the 6th. So today's the 6th. I've already done groceries. Out of this $600, I've actually gone ahead and spent $464.04 already. So let me see. Wow, I lost my cap. So let's see how much I actually have left in groceries for this month. So 600 take away 46404. So I pretty much have $135.96 left over for the rest of this month for my grocery budget, just because I had to stock up on quite a few things from Costco. So this is pretty much what I have left to work with out of this $600, $135.96. Let's hope, fingers crossed, that could do for the rest of the month. I would probably need to buy like fresh produce, and that's about it, because my fridge is pretty decent right now and my freezer is legit stock, because I buy my meats and stuff like that in bulk at the meat shop or butcher shop, whatever you want to call it. So we have $840 for our cash envelopes, $1,320, and this might be less if I officially cancel my storage, so that would be kind of great. Now let's see what I have going towards debt. Okay, so for debt, I have a total of $532. Okay, so that's not bad. Let's move on over to my sinking funds. Let's see. For my lifestyle envelope, I'm going to put $65. That's what I put the last month, just because I did one cash stuff in. So I'm just gonna do the same. I'm only going to stuff these binders once for this month. I won't do two cash stuff in, I'll just do one. If there are some changes, I will definitely do more, but for now we're just gonna say one. I'm going to put 90 in my high priority binder, and then 85 into my dream home binder. And you might say, well, you're doing a dream home challenge, why do you have a designated binder for dream home? And that is the reason. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but the money that I'm saving for my dream home challenge is to go towards the down payment of a new home, and then the designated dream home binder is for bills that are associated with home ownership. So that is why I have two separate situation for this going on. And for my business binder, I'm going to put $35 into that. So let's do some math and see if the math is mathin'. Okay, so I have $275 going towards my sinking funds for this month. Not bad at all. It's not a lot, but as long as I'm contributing, I feel like that is good enough. In total for my saving challenge, I believe I budgeted, what did I say I wanted to do as a goal? I believe it was $300. So I kind of divvied it up, and it should add up to $300. Let me just put that there. So $300, and I'm going to put 25 in emergency, and for my 50 envelope challenge, I'm going to also put 25 into that one. For my $5 challenge, I'm going to put $10 in there, and for the $10 challenge, I'm going to put $20. $15 challenge is just getting 15, and then the 5, 10, 15 challenge will get $10. Self-care will get $10. My luxury challenge will get 10. Bingo is a bit of a question mark because it's a scratch off, so that's why I'm budgeting $300. So I don't know what bingo will be just as yet. For the rainbow challenge, I'm going to say 10 for 52 weeks. I'm going to budget $10. Rainy day, what did I say for rainy day? Rainy day will get 10. Dream home will get 20. And that is the down payment for a new home. Bon voyage will get 10. 31 days will get 15. Roll the dice, that's another one that's a question mark. I don't know. I'll just put a little question mark for that one and that one. And then the scratch off is another question mark. Girls just want to have funds. We'll be getting $20. And then the deck of card is also a question mark. So I'll add up the ones that I have a designated number for, and then we'll kind of see how much I have left to play with for bingo, roll the dice, scratch and save, as well as deck of card, which is a bonus challenge. Okay, so with all of these challenges that I have a designated set amount to put towards, that amounts to $220. So if I say 300 take away 220, that means I have about $80 to go towards deck of cards, scratch and save, roll the dice, and bingo. And hopefully that $80 is good enough, because I think for one challenge, I think the bingo challenge goes up to about $40. The scratch and save goes up to about $30. So you could see how quickly this $80 could kind of divvy up and just kind of go away. So hopefully the extra $80 is good enough. And then when I do my budget recap, I'll kind of go in and do the actual amount. So for total income, I'm going to say $3,290. For my cash envelope, I have $840. For my debts, I have $532. For my savings, for my sinking funds, I have $275. And for my challenges, I budgeted $300. Okay, so that pretty much concludes this month's budget. And I've already before I go, this amount, what I will do is I have my envelope breakdown, so I'll just go over here and put it in my envelope breakdown. I'll just refer back to, I'll make reference to my last month's cash envelope breakdown to see how I did the denominations for each envelope and just kind of go from there. But that pretty much concludes this month's budget. I do have a low income. For most people, this is considered a low income, but I'm just making it work, you know, so to speak. When life gives you lemon, we're gonna make some lemonade and sip and enjoy and have fun. So that is it for this video. It was short and sweet and to the point. Until next time, bye guys.